Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an Earl Grey Gin Fizz. The secret to do it is to infuse the tea into the alcohol, into the gin itself. It's a lovely summer cocktail. So to do that, we recommend using 1 tablespoon of tea. Our Cream of Earl Grey is phenomenal, per 4 shots of alcohol, so 4 ounces of alcohol. So the way to make it is you pop the tea into the gin and then leave it in the fridge overnight. It actually infuses in about 6 hours, but I recommend just leaving it overnight. That way you just get more flavor out of it. So the recipe is 1.5 parts of the Earl Grey infused gin, 3/4 parts maple syrup, and then 3/4 parts of lemon juice. So what we're going to do is just add a little bit of ice, because we all like it a little bit cold. Bam, and bam. Then we're going to add 1.5 shots of Earl Grey infused gin. Smells delicious. Then we're going to add 3/4 of a shot of maple syrup, and then 3/4 of a shot of lemon juice. It's very fragrant. It smells delicious. And why not 1 more ice cube, just for luck. Then, boom. Shake it like a Polaroid. And then pour it into your glass. Alrighty. And the reason it gets the name Gin Fizz is because we use a little bit of soda water. Bam. And if you want to be fancy, add a little lemon wedge. And try not to be as messy as me when you make it. Yummy.